Okay, I know what you're thinking. What is this section about? Why there is like a lot of drawing and designing here? Let me explain. You know, this is the part of section of my Ultimate Art Bootcamp, but I intentionally add some of the pixel art section and design section to the Ultimate Game Bootcamp here. The reason for that is, well, I think art is not a specific thing that only artists will think about, but rather, if you are aspiring game developer, game designer, you should be able to do that, at least envision that as well. That requires you to have a little bit basic understanding of how things work, at least the whole workflow. And of course, I know some people folks are like really hardcore person like me, okay? You want to control everything, you want to know what heck's going on, you're curious about things. So I think, well, I'm going to add it here as a kind of extra section. So if you want to go deep, go deep. If you're rich, you can already like ask some artist commission that, and just pay the artist well, okay? Because artists have a pretty hard life nowadays, especially in this job market. But you know what? As long as you can get your vision come to life, that's the ultimate goal. You don't need to worry about the means. But for those folks who are curious, who want to control everything, who want to, visualize and then actually create it, you know what? I'm going to add this section to the game bootcamp as well. So you can use this section as a kind of sort of a peek of how to actually create all these game assets. And maybe you can create it yourself, or maybe you can like prototype a little bit faster. Remember, the section is about like 2D game prototype. So you can sort of just quickly get really sketches like storyboard, quickly get that, put it inside the game, test the mechanism, and you know what? You can always replace. Ask a professional to help you, ask AI to help you replace. Always replace and modify, improve. And of course, you can design your game better because, especially for indie game, the art style and the game style are like two things you can't separate. You can't say, well, I got a coder who got nothing, who did not meet any artist, just a pure code, like code genius, code is the point, right? Just don't worry about anything. Pure code is not going to happen. Okay, there's like no artist, just pure art, pure animation. Don't worry about the game. No, I want you to know them both and communicate better. Okay, and of course, if you are rich, if you already ask your team leader, you ask someone to do the commission for you, pay them well, by the way. You will be able to communicate your vision better. Okay, that's the reason I added it here. Of course, you can always skip it. It's kind of like an extra section. Okay, so like resources section. If you want to know, want to learn more, check it out. If you don't want to learn, that's easy, right? Just skip everything. And for those of you who want to, delve a little bit more about art, check my art bootcamp. Right? So let's continue the pixel art.